Hello everybody, welcome to another video about fasting. Today is a very special day for me because today I started eating again after 21 days. So today is day 22 of my fasting series, and today is the day I can tell you about how my fasting went. So if you'd like to know more how I felt in the 21 days that I didn't enjoy or didn't ingest any food, stick around. Today, it was the first day that I was able to bite solid food in the last 21 days. And it was quite interesting. But before I get into all that, hi, I am Anne Baswood. I have been fasting for the past 29 years. This is year 29 that I have been fasting, and it has been a wild ride, this fast. My primary reason why I started fasting this year was to lose weight because I gained too much weight last year because of stress eating and snacking and I don't know, everything in between, and eating at night, and the pounds or the kilograms just piled up. So I decided to fast, and I decided to detoxify my body as well. And my initial weight was 78.1 kilograms. And now, today, when I made my final measurements, I was at 69.3, I think, let's say. So around 9 kilograms. I lost 9 kilograms in 3 weeks. That's 21 days. It is crazy. And it has been crazy all of those days, because I do not remember a fast as pleasant as this one was, because I had a lot of great days. The bad days were not that bad actually, and I don't recall that that was ever the case. There were some initial bad days in the beginning of the fast. So day 3, 5, I wanted to sleep a lot, and day 3 I did not go to work because I planned that I was going to have a bad day, so I stayed at home and I slept a lot. And also the walks helped, and also getting on fresh air helped. And speaking to people helped also to brighten up my day and to forget about food. And also those are the days when your body is transitioning from your glucose stores to your fat stores. And I knew that is going to be bad, but it was not that bad. So I was really, really cool about it. What I did made a mistake on that I might mention is that so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I was at home, and I got it into my system that I needed to rest in the middle of the day. So at around 1 p.m., I went to bed, and I was sleeping because I was, let's say, exhausted for, I don't know, an hour or two. And then when I woke up, I was like a daisy again. But when I went to work again on Monday, that sleep really, really was missing. And I needed a couple of days to adjust back to the normal working life. That was the only thing. What I was really, really surprised about was that I didn't have any problems with my sleep. As long as I can remember, sleep was a bit difficult when I was fasting, because when I was fasting, usually I had nightmares. Not scream nightmares, but nightmares where you cannot get any rest because something is chasing you, and you are, at least I think I am moving all the time, and I woke up exhausted. But on this fast, this didn't happen. And maybe, or not maybe, I am almost confident that because I was really working on myself this year, and I wanted to go into this fast prepared and cool and not in a lot of stress, and that helped. So my sleep was really, really good. I woke up, let's say, rested, and I went to bed at a reasonable hour. I didn't overstay at night, and that really helped too. One thing that I do have to complain about and I do still have that, is my lips are very, very dry. It's incredible how much liquid you drink on your fast, and your lips are always dry. So I'm, you know, doing like that all of the time, and I'm putting not lipstick, but let's say something on, just to moisture them, but it doesn't help. And I drink a lot of teas during the fasting period. So yeah, that I hope that will change soon. One other thing that I know what's going to happen, and it happened every year, was that the surface of your teeth is not very shiny, or it's not very smooth. There is plug, something like that. The dentist will know, and please correct me in the comments how it's said correctly, because I really do not know right now. But your teeth are not as shiny, because all of the detoxification that is done through your body, it's also done through your mouth, on your tongue, and on your teeth. So brush all of the time. Also, I was really surprised, because until this year, every fast, I was so cranky. It's unbelievable. I was yelling at the kids. I was snapping at the customers. I was snapping at my husband. It was crazy. But this year, all I did that day was, I think, on day 3. That was when I was really cranky, and that was it. And then it came a test on day 8, when my boss's boss flew into my office, and he demanded some of the explanations, and I was like calm as Buddha. Unbelievable. And he stayed there for half an hour, and we were going over the processes and answering his questions. And when he came in, he was like, the ball of fire. But when he came out, he was like Zen. And I did that. I was confident. I was sure of myself. I was really calm. And my calm energy calmed him down as well. And that was such a proud moment for me. I cannot tell you. What I missed on this fast was the creativity. If you remember, if you watched any of my other videos, I am telling you about that time when I was fasting, that one Sunday or one Saturday, I had a really, really vivid dream about a book. And when I got up, the dream still lingered. And my husband was kind enough to take the kids, and I was able to stay at home and sit at my computer for 2 hours, and I just wrote and wrote and wrote, and there was an outline for a 25-chapter book. It was incredible. I could see everything. I couldn't type fast enough. But this did not happen this year. I did not have any creativity rushes, but I did have energy rushes, and I did have focus. It's unbelievable how focused you can be. And also, what I forgot, unbelievable, after 29 years, I still forgot it. You have so much time on your hands when you're not eating and not preparing food and not thinking about food and not clearing after yourself and not going grocery shopping. You have so much time. And that time, when it was the first day of my fast, and I was at work. And I didn't eat anything, because usually I have breakfast in my office, then I have lunch in my office, and then I go to a stroll, and that adds up. But now I was just working, and then the hour was 4 in the afternoon, and I could not see straight. And I was thinking, oh my God, I worked throughout the day. I didn't look up. I was just staring at the monitor. No wonder that I could not see straight. And that was a problem. So the next day and all throughout the other days, I had a point to take breaks, and stand in front of the window and look outside as far as you can and as wide as you can, so my eyes relaxed, because I didn't have anything else to do. I just worked. So you are very, very productive when you're fasting, because you have a lot of time. This year, it was something new for me as well, was that I did not waver away from the rules that are in the Breuss fasting method. Because the Breuss fasting method is very, very strict on 2 things. You need to drink your juice, and you need to drink your teas. And the teas you have up to here at week 2, and the juice is not very pleasant to drink, and it's not very pleasant to drink. You also get fed up of it very quickly, because just think about it. You are eating breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner all every the same every day, and you get fed up. Even if I was eating my favorite dish, I think that I would be fed up of it in, I don't know, 21 days, and you get fed up of the juice because it's not good even faster. But this year I stick to the exact protocol of the fast, and I drank all the juices, I drank all the teas, especially the kidney tea. I was really, really thinking about that I'm not supposed to leave any kidney tea out, just because it's helping with my detoxification. And it was a miracle. The juice was not that bad because I have my own vegetables this year, and only the beetroot. The beetroot, I went to a local farmer and he got me really, really firm beetroot, and it was so sweet. So the juice was sweet as well. It was incredible. And also the teas. I drank all of the teas, and it was amazing because I was never hungry. And probably that's why I wasn't anxious or cranky after that as well. When I did have the bad day, I slept, as I said, and I walked around a lot. And also I was keeping my journal, because my journal is like a holy grail when I'm fasting. I have weighed myself every day. I have measured myself every week, on the different parts of my body to see how the fasting influenced it, and it was crazy. I can put on the screen the measurements and how the weight and how the measurements went down throughout the days and the weeks. So you can see that I am not fooling anyone. Also, you can see it in my face, because if you look, I can also put that in. If you look one of my previous videos and you can see my face, and you see my face now, you will see that the difference is really enormous, because the fat drains throughout the body, and my ass is really small and my hips are really small now. And today, when I dressed for work, I really couldn't put one of my pants on because they fell off. I did not have a belt, strong enough to keep my pants on. So it was incredible. The feeling really is incredible. After you eat, of course, your belly is going to widen a little bit, but that's not really a big deal. So that was it basically for day 21, for the end of the fast. I just wanted to tell you that it really is worth it. And it really is worth it when you see how different you feel, how much energy you have when you see yourself in the mirror, when you're naked, or when you're in your lingerie, or when you see your husband and his eyes are gleaming. Oh, you look great. And when you see your coworkers and you didn't tell anybody, but they still say, did you lose weight? Because it's evident on my face, but not on my body, because my clothes are still the same. They're like baggy. I love baggy clothes, even though I lost weight. And I have also made 2 pictures. One you will see also in the screen. One was taken on last year on my vacation in Scotland, and you will see the same pants I wore today when I was taking pictures of my lower body. You will see the difference, and I only gained weight after I came from Scotland, so it was not anything that I did between that. So you will see the enormous difference. It is crazy. So my invitation for you is that if you are thinking about fasting, and if you're thinking that maybe you can do it too, I have just opened a school community. It is called Fasting with Anne. I'm Anne. And it has been open for 1 week of the time of this recording. And we already have 11 people who have joined. And these people are open-minded. These people have a goal. They want to succeed. They each have their own personal why. they want to fast and they want to accomplish that why. They want to say, yes, I did this. Is it for sickness? Is it for weight loss? Is it for, I don't know. It's incredible how kind and how incredible this community is. I will also be there every day in the community. So if you do not get any answers, if you post any questions, if you don't get any answers from this great community, you will get them from me. And there will also be courses, and there will be PDFs, free PDFs and everything. So the community is free. Basically, what I wanted to tell you is join if you would like to have a great fasting experience, and if you would like to have an accountability body. That will also be a good idea for you to join our community. I will leave the link in the description so you can click it, and if you like it, then join us, and we will be very, very happy to have you, and I will be personally there to send you the DM when you do. So this is it. I have had a great time today. I'm still full of energy, even though I do not feel as light as I did when my stomach was empty. But other than that, it has been a great day. So thank you for joining me on this great day. And I hope to see you on my next video. And I hope that maybe I will also see you in my school community. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. And I hope to see you again in the next video.